Hi, welcome to Kyong's Kitchen. Thank you for watching. 안녕하세요. Today I'm going to share delicious and nutritious and the pack of the building your immune system called chicken like meal loaf. This is a vegan and plant-based cooking show, so there's no chicken, but I will explain to you what will make a chicken like meal loaf. So let's go and start. First you will need 2 cups soy curd. Soy curd, look at this really long, see if you can see. This is a soy curd made from the 100% non-GMO soybean. And once this is dry, see how dry it is? But once you soak them in the hot boiling water, it will be nice and tender that you can work for the meat substitute. So you will need 1.5 cups boiling water. Then we are going to soak this one at least 5 to 10 minutes. And most times the usual water will all soak into soy curd. However, if you have any remaining water, you need to drain the remaining water. Okay, so we are going to let it set for about 5 to 10 minutes right here. Okay, TV show, TV time, so 5 to 10 minutes is past. So this is already pre-soaked for you, so nice and tender. So it's ready to work. You will need a food processor. We are going to put all this in the food processor. And then next, you will need 1 medium onion. So you need to cut in this chunk. Then we are going to put it all here. Onion is, you need to have onions every day to build up your immune system. It will kill the germs and bacteria and virus in your body. Praise God for that. Okay, next, you will need 1 carrot. Carrot, such a good for your eyes. And eat some carrots every day. Also high in antioxidant, which is fighting, killing cancer cells in our body. That's another immune system vegetable. You will need another 1 stalk celery. Put it all in here. Celery is very high calcium, also antioxidants, and such a good for your bone health. Then you will need 3 cloves garlic. Garlic, I cannot say enough, this is antibiotic and without any chemical in it. So we are going to process until finely. It's not chunky. You have to process until not creamy, but let it process. Okay? I don't know how to say it. Process until be able to everything it got small pieces. So let's go and start. Okay, that's the texture I'm looking for. I will show you. They are all finely chopped. Actually, what I did, I turn it off and scrape off and process twice. So this is how it will look. And smells so good. Now you are going to transfer into mixing bowl. And you know, this meat loaves actually bust all the germs, bacteria, virus in your body and keep your body so healthy. So we just praise God for all the good things, put it in the vegetables and garlics, onions. And I'm gonna put this in here. That onion is hot. I'm ready to cry. Don't cry, girl. Don't cry. Okay? I'm gonna put some sanitation glove. And next you will need 1.5 cups breadcrumbs. This one, when you see kind of darker, I'm using from like a whole wheat bread, and I make own breadcrumbs. And if you like to make your own breadcrumbs from your whole wheat bread, and you can just tear a little bit, put it in the food processor, then put it on the cookie sheet, then bake at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. And it's healthier that way. And next you will need 2.5 tablespoons chicken-like seasoning. And 1 teaspoon parsley flakes, which is body cleanser too. And you need 1/2 tablespoon sage. Sage, you will keep virus in your body to praise God. And 1 tablespoon turbinado sugar, which is a healthiest sugar. 1 tablespoon nutritional yeast flakes. Then from here, we are going to mix it really good. I'm going to mix it with the hand, 2 hands, yes. Actually, the other day, I had 2 cups of soy curd in my freezer. So I was thinking about what am I going to do. Then I said, I'm going to make some fajita filling. And guess what happened? Fajita filling turned into chicken-like meatloaf. And praise God. So this is just brand new recipe, and I'm so excited to share this one with you. And this is very delicious. Okay, the mixing is done. And I'm gonna move this one. Yeah. Then I need a cookie sheet. Turn your oven at 350 degrees. From here, you are going to move this one to 13 by 9 cookie sheet to make about what size it will be. About 9 by 4. Yeah. And continue put it on here. Okay. Then from here, you are going to work on it, make a meatloaf shape. Alright. How about I'm going to use one to make a really neat. Okay. Take your time to shape the meatloaf shape here. Okay. Alright. From here, I'm going to show you the topping. And you will need 5 tablespoons tomato sauce. Then you will need 1 tablespoon turbinado sugar. Then mix well. Then we are going to garnish on top. Actually, very simple recipe. If you want to make a gluten-free meatloaf, you can have like a gluten-free breadcrumbs in place of the breadcrumbs. then it will be gluten free. And this is oil free, so I am not adding any oil in here. And it's such a delicious and a lot of nutrition value for you. And looks good, doesn't it? Looks really good. And this one you will bake it oven at 350 degrees for 40 minutes. Then I have finished product I want to show to you. Jaja! Doesn't it look good? It sliced really good and very delicious. If you like to see the close-up finished product photos, it will be end of the show. If you like to have written recipe, click the show more below the video. Thank you for watching. It's fun cooking with you. See you until next program. May God richly bless you.